Start with today's episode of Placentation and Inflorescence. Now, what are the learning objectives of today's lesson? So, today we will be learning about placentation, that is in brief, what is it and what are its types, though its types are mainly to be discussed in standard 11th. And the next we will be discussing about inflorescence. This also you will be studying in higher classes. Now, what is placentation? Now, placentation is actually the arrangement of placenta within the ovary is called placentation. So, I think this term placenta is new for you. So, what does this term placenta means? Now, ovary, we have already studied about the ovary style and stigma. Those who have not gone through that video, please go through it. So, the arrangement of placenta within the ovary is called placentation. So that is placentation. Now what is the placenta? Now the area of the ovary walls where the ovules are attached is called the placenta. Now what are ovules again? This term comes. So this is the first new term. What is placenta? Now here we are telling that the ovules are getting attached to a part which is called placenta. Okay. Now the arrangement of placenta within the ovary is called placentation. Now the arrangement of the area of the ovary walls where the ovules are getting attached is called placenta. And what is the ovary? The ovary is consisting of one or more chambers called locules. Okay, the ovary may consist of many chambers. If you are dissecting the ovary, you can see there are many small chambers. It can consist of one or more chambers called locules, which contain one or more underdeveloped seeds called ovules. Okay, so what are ovules? The underdeveloped seeds are called ovules, and these underdeveloped seeds, what they are doing, these ovules, they are attached to the placenta, and the arrangement of the placenta within the ovary is called placentation. Now, is it clear to everyone? The ovary may consist of one or more chambers which are called locules and which contain many underdeveloped seeds. So these underdeveloped seeds which are maturing to form the grown full form seeds, they are called ovules. These ovules, these are present in the ovary. So these, where they are present, the area of the ovary walls where the ovules are attached, that area is the placenta, and the arrangement of the placenta within the ovary is called placentation. I think this is clear to you all. Now let us see few pictures. Now here we will just go through this. We will not go to details of these types of placentation. This is in higher classes. So first one is marginal, second one is axile, then is parietal, and the last one is the basal placentation. Now this is how the arrangement is there. The arrangement of the ovules, inside the ovary. Now near the ovary wall. So what is the placenta doing? The area of the ovary wall where the ovules are. So these are the ovules. Now the arrangement of the placenta within the ovary. Placenta which is being arranged within the ovary is called the placentation. So marginal placentation, you can see this arrangement is done. Marginal area. So the placenta, this full is placenta, where the ovules are being attached. This placenta, how it is arranged? It is arranged in a marginal manner, so it is called marginal. Now this is axile placentation. Here you can see this is parietal. This 3 arrangement is parietal placentation. This is free central. It is not bound to anything. It is free central placentation, and this is the basal placentation where it is attached to the base. Now next we can say that we have come to the topic of inflorescence. What is it? Now inflorescence is a group or a cluster of flowers on a branch of a plant. Now inflorescence refers to the way individual flowers are arranged on the axis of the floral stem. So inflorescence refers to the way the individual flowers are arranged on the axis of or the floral stem. Now depending upon the arrangement of the flower on the axis or the peduncle may branched or they may be unbranched. Now, how the arrangement of flowers is done on the axis? On that only the axis of the peduncle is dependent. So how the branches will be? The peduncle may be branched or they may be unbranched. And the main two types are racemose and cymose. Just we will have a look that how this cluster of flowers are arranged in the branch. What is that? What does this term inflorescence mean when we are seeing to the diagram? Now let us see the diagram. Now here we can see only two diagrams I have taken, because though there are many different variations in the cymose and racemose, so this is mainly you will be studying in the 11th standard. So no need of details, you know the arrangement of flowers. The group of flowers or the cluster of flowers in a branch is called inflorescence, and the arrangement of the placenta within the ovary is called placentation. So this is just the cymose, how the flowers are appearing from the peduncle, and this is the racemose. So how from each they are being branched and the flowers are appearing at the tip of each branch. So this is the racemose and this is the cymose. Now these again they are subdivided and they are having many sub branches and subparts. So that we will be studying in higher classes. Now as for today, this is the topic. This is a very short topic of placentation and inflorescence, and this is all we have for flower and its structure and its function. So if you want to study more regarding this placentation and inflorescence, you will be studying in higher classes. As of now for 9th standard it's completed. Now the next lesson what we will be discussing is about the pollination and fertilization. So that is quite an interesting topic, but please go through this androecium, gynoecium, calyx and corolla first. Otherwise you won't be understanding what are the male holes of a flower, what are the female holes of a flower, how the pollination is taking place. So for that lesson you need to learn this lesson properly first. So as of today, please go through it properly, go through whatever textbook you are following. I think you will understand. Any queries, any doubts, please write to me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please do like and share. Thank you.